Hey everybody, welcome back to another campground tour from SeeMyCampsite.com. My name is Adam Groves and today we're exploring Washington Lake Campground, another beautiful campground located within the Uinta Mountains of northern Utah. Before we jump into the campground tour, we want to thank the sponsor of today's video, Motor Sportsland. If you've ever shopped for an RV, you probably know how frustrating that pricing can be. One thing we really like about Motor Sportsland is the price you see is the actual price you get. No surprise add-ons or hidden dealer fees. Whether you're looking to buy a new RV, upgrade your current setup, or just need parts and accessories for your rig, they've got you covered. You can check them out online at motorsportsland.com, and we'll also put a link down in the description. A big thanks to Motor Sportsland for helping to make today's video possible. Washington Lake Campground is about 23 miles east of Camas, Utah, along the Mirror Lake Highway, and sits right at 10,000 feet in the Uinta Mountains. This is true alpine camping, cooler air, thinner trees, and some seriously pretty views. And this campground is surrounded by pine forest, and in the summer you'll see wildflowers all over the meadows. Temperatures can vary quite a bit up here. Warm afternoons are possible, but mornings and evenings get cold fast, so definitely remember to pack some warm clothes and blankets with you. Washington Lake itself is a great fishing lake, and you'll find several species of trout here, including rainbow trout, brook trout, cutthroat trout, tiger trout, and even albino trout here. It's also a nice lake for kayaking or canoeing, and one of the best features here is that Crystal Lake Trail actually starts right inside this campground, and from here you've got access to tons of hiking, biking, horseback riding, and off-road trails all throughout the Uintas. The campground is a little different from many others along the Mirror Lake Highway because it has several large group sites. There are 5 group areas, and most of these hold up to about 50 people, and one can handle close to 100, along with single and double family campsites. Most sites have a picnic table and fire ring, and many of the smaller sites have really nice views of the lake. You'll also find vault toilets, trash service, and a camp host where you can usually purchase firewood. The roads are paved, but parking can be tight, especially on busy weekends, so plan for that. Now, a few things you'll definitely want to know before coming up here. First off, there is no drinking water available here, which surprises a lot of people, so bring all the water you'll need and make sure to fill your RV tanks before heading up the mountain. Next, this is bear country, so all food and trash need to be stored properly. Don't leave anything out overnight. Dogs are allowed, but they need to stay on a leash, and you're limited to 2 per campsite. Quiet hours are 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. and generators have to be turned off at night. This campground is known for being pretty peaceful, so it's not really a late night party spot. Single sites allow up to 8 people, and while extra vehicles are technically allowed for a fee, space is limited and overflow parking is scarce. Also worth noting, no motorized boats, no off-road riding inside the campground itself, and no fireworks. Some sites are first come, first served, but they fill up fast. Weekends usually require at least a 2-night stay, and holiday weekends typically require 3 nights, so reservations are strongly recommended. And you can reserve spots for this campground online at recreation.gov, and we'll include a link for that in the description below. Hey, it takes gear, gas, and way too much bug spray to make these videos. Toss us a lifeline at seemycampsite.com/donate or scan the QR code on your screen. And thanks. Curious what the campsites look like? Let's take a quick tour of each campsite so you can find that perfect spot for you. checked out cellular service, and in the Uintas, there is no reliable cell service in this area, so you will need to explore other options for communications if you feel like you're going to need that. With all that said, thanks for hanging out with us today on this tour of Washington Lake. If you're looking for a quiet, high mountain campground with easy lake access, fishing, and trailheads right from your campsite, Washington Lake is a fantastic spot in the Uintas and an easy getaway within a couple hours of Salt Lake City. Comment below on campgrounds you'd like for us to cover next, and if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so you're the first to know when we add new campground tours. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on SeeMyCampsite.com.